Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Litecoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys, like I always like to start, we are still, well, this double bottom, it's one of those that I don't know how I feel about it. It was perfectly fine until we had that pullback, and then we couldn't close above 153. So I'm not sure about the double bottom right now. But if you're new to the channel, I am using the high of about December 17 of 2017 to what? December 13 of 2018. Originally the double bottom target 295. We still kind of, if it goes to the double bottom. Now let's look at this and see what happened the last couple days. So we had that massive pullback. I was hoping that we would either go all the way down to 102 or just kind of hover around 124 for me to buy some. So it seems like Litecoin hates me for the most part. Like I said, I kind of wanted to buy around 124, but I definitely didn't want to buy it, when we had this massive pullback, because we could have done the same thing to 102. So I like to see a confirmation. Now if we zoom in, guys, by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, the two guys that train me always say make sure you help somebody. Here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the planet how to make shackles in the crypto market. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make shackles like you're making shackles. So that being said, guys, let's just draw some fibs. So I'm going to use this candle, and we're going to go from the high to the low of that same candle about there. So we pretty much retrace it back to the 50% retracement. So yesterday, guess what that means? That usually means a piercing line. Now, thing is a piercing line becomes a piercing line when you're at the bottom of a trend, like right here, not when you're kind of having a pullback. Now that does tell me that we're more likely going to move higher, but typically you want to see a piercing line on the bottom, kind of like a morning star. All those trend reversals usually work better if you're at the bottom or the top, whichever. So it is telling me that we're going to go up. Now it looks like we're encountering a lot of resistance at 153, and it's probably because that level is a 38% retracement of the bigger swing. So once we go past that 153, I think we should be golden and we should be fine. But until then, Litecoin is usually the one that rallies and then everyone else follows. Seems like it's lagging right now. So I mean, this is bullish, but we're still not out of the woods. So let's look at the weekly chart here, guys. By the way, guys, you guys requested it. We deliver Easy Crypto Pro. Go and check it out. We created a light version, which is just more technical analysis that you see here in the YouTube channel. Then we created also a Pro version. Pro version, not only you have technical analysis, but you'll have my setups as they happen live. So, and I also get to hold your hand. So if you need more help, aside from the YouTube channel, go and check out Easy Crypto Pro, guys. So let's just get back to this. Oh, by the way, go and check out Easy Crypto Pro's Instagram, which is Easy Crypto Pro, and go follow me too on my personal Instagram, forexcapital.ca. So I'll put it down in the description below, guys, so you guys can go and check it out. So just kind of get back to it. So if we look at this fib, I'm using the low of March 9 of 2020 to the high of January 4th of 2021. 124 is a big level because it's a 61% retracement. If we do lose that, it's 105, and if we lose 105, we're probably going to meet with the 200-day moving average. I don't see that happening, but it is a possibility, so just keep that in mind, guys. This double bottom, it's looking very crappy. I mean, it was good until we had last week that massive pullback, and we closed below 153. So the double bottom, I mean, we're still bullish, but I don't think it's playing out as it should be. I mean, it looks very similar to Bitcoin, which is still pretty bullish and is forming a bullish flag, but we just have to keep our eyes very close. Now, once we pass 153, you know your objective. First objective will be 195, second 236, and third anywhere between 285 and 295. I mean, the peak of this was what, about 373. So that all depends of if Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. So if Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, guys, boom, this is going to be super bullish. If not, then it's going to be very sluggish. Let's look at the monthly chart. I mean, the monthly chart does look bullish. The monthly chart, I mean, as long as if we close at the end of the month about 153, and then this double bottom will be in place. Compared to the daily, looks sluggish. The weekly looks I mean, it looks alright. This looks like it's going to be a spinning top by the time we close in the next day or so. So we got 1 day and 16 hours to go before we close the week. And on the month, we have 8 days and 16 hours to go. So we do have a lot of potential here, guys, to make some shackles. Let's just... Yeah, so nothing to do at the moment. I do want to see once I go above 153. Until then, I'm just going to stand aside and look for other pairs to dump some shackles in. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.